Alright, 38 gang, welcome back to the channel, man. I know y'all read that title and seen the thumbnail. We in the POV driving with me driving today, a few burnouts and a 0-60 time, man. Just some fun. I haven't had a chance to get my top speed or anything of that stuff, so stay tuned for the video, guys. I'm kind of close to the car. Here go a cold start like I normally would do. But yeah, y'all. All right, so look, we inside the vehicle, man. I know y'all see the lights and stuff. It's kind of loud, but yeah, I got the blue interior lights popping off, also with the carbon fiber interior. But yeah, man, like I said, man, we're gonna get some 0-60s, a few pulls, see what I'm hitting for. I'm aiming for like a 5 flat, 5.0 flat. And man, look, man, we about to just try to get as much footage as I can. Stay tuned for the video, guys. All right, y'all, so look, I haven't drove my car and gotten a top speed before, so the first thing I want to do is test my 0-60. As y'all can see, it's right there. You can see my 0-60 timer on my dash, so that's how I'm gonna be knowing what my time is. This is a 2017 Dodge Challenger RT. I got a few miles on it. We on staggered wheels on the 20s by 10, 9.5, by 10 5s in the back, and by 9 5s in the front, 20 by 9 5s in the front. But yeah, man, got the Brembo brakes and everything. It's a few miles on this car. BBK throttle body, bigger throttle body spacer. But right now, guys, this is just for fun. But when I get to the highway, it's gonna be different. So I just want to see, like, I'm gonna test my 0-60 time, like when I get like on a solid street. But right now I'm about to see what my top speed is. Like, what can I do with my top speed? It says my best 0-60 on there is 4.9. But that probably is from a previous owner. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoying this video. I got a sponsorship with Aoonuauto. I'm supposed to be putting these LED door stills on my car. So stay tuned. I'll show y'all what that look like and everything. But yeah. I wanted to test that 0-60 right there, but I had a curve. I know y'all hear them pipes barking. I know y'all hear them pipes barking though. But yeah, let me get a top speed. I always wanted to see what my top speed would be in this car. Woo, this boy getting up too. Let's go. Let me see what I can hit. Woo, that boy gone. 120, man, and I still got room to play. Man. So I'm gonna say 125 was my top. But yeah, man. Hold on, let's play a little bit longer. I just want to see, like, I know I just did 120. It's probably gonna be hard to top that, but we're about to see if I can top it. 125 was the highest I ever went, y'all. About to see right now. 140 though. Damn, these boys get up, bro. I just did 130, 133. I ain't trying to kill myself out here. I got a lot to live for, man. Had a long day at work, y'all. But I just wanted to see, because I never, like, topped this boy out, man. I never topped this boy down. And I just wanted to see one time. But yeah, man. Don't try this stuff at home, y'all. But yeah, man, smash that like button since we out here doing crazy stuff. If I get pulled over and go to jail, y'all still gotta support the channel, man. So yeah, man, I'm gonna try to get y'all some burnouts. Stay tuned for that. All right, guys, so remind you, my car is not tuned. I have a cold air intake and the other few miles on this thing. I have not tuned it, but the whole purpose of me doing this because I want to be able to see where I'm at before I get it tuned, because I gotta get an unlocked PCM. So I got another mod coming this week. I'm waiting on it to come in the mail. Then I'm gonna schedule my appointment hopefully for this week. But man, yeah, the car not tuned. So this all like is stock car right now. So it's not stock because of the stuff that's bolted on. But if it ain't tuned to where it needs to be, then you're not gonna get that power. So yeah, man. I got a few things coming this week. I feel like hopefully 2 mods coming this week. But yeah, I'm trying to just find a little back street real quick so I can fucking, you know, do a few burnouts and try to take my 0 to 60 time. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Guys, one thing I do want to say, the car was not in sport. I usually don't put it in sport unless, you know, I'm trying to burn a bunch of gas. That's honestly what it does, man. Y'all seen that I just went to 130 without even being in sport mode. So, but right now I'm trying to get a few, I'm gonna try to burn out real quick, but I need to get it somewhere where I'm not like in a populated area. So for the burnouts and stuff, I'm definitely gonna put it in sport and take off the traction control. I'm trying to show y'all that. As y'all see, I took the traction control off up there. I think the coast's clear for me to do a burnout. I'm gonna try a quick little burnout right here. And then I'm gonna do my 0 to 60 down strip to try this burnout, see what happens. Y'all lucky I got people like literally outside, man. I can't do what I want to do. I want to just try to get a crazy 0 to 60. I'm gonna keep trying though. Me peeling those tires definitely was crazy, bro. That was crazy. Yeah, man. I just need a 0 to 60. I'm gonna try one down this street. It's a real good gap right here. All right, so I'm at 0. Oh man, that was a 5.5 seconds, man. That's too long. I'm shooting for a 5.0, bro. That's too long of a thing. I'm trying to get a 5.0. Let me try that again. All right, so here go another burnout real quick. Quick little one in the open. My tires definitely taking a beating right now. I don't like peeling the tires a lot because that shit makes your tires melt. But I hope y'all enjoying the content, man. What I do, I did a few burnouts. I got my top speed. I got my my 0 to 60. And man, I hope y'all just enjoying this content, man. So yeah, man, I'm gonna drive around a little bit more and just see what else I can do real quick. But I hope y'all enjoy the content. Like I said before, stay tuned for the rest of these videos, guys, and more of the content I'm about to have dropping, guys. I appreciate all the support once again. We just hit 4K, and yeah, man, I got a lot going on. I started a business. I got a few sponsorships going on, and yeah, we only going to the top for the rest of this 2021, y'all. I appreciate all the support. But yeah, let's have some more fun real quick. Talk to me, baby. Let's try to get that top. I did 130. There ain't no point in trying to kill myself, but I was trying to definitely see a better time, like a 0 to 60 time, like for sure, bro. I need a better 0 to 60. Like I'm gonna do it on the highway though. Like I know that sounds crazy, but I'm definitely gonna do the 0 to 60 on the highway. So at least if I do a 0 to 60, I won't get in trouble. So I'm gonna pull over, I'm gonna put my hazards on, and yeah, I'm gonna pull the fuck over. And I'm gonna do a 0 to 60 right here. That's what we doing. All right, so look, this is what we doing. I'm gonna let more cars pass. I know that's crazy though, but this is what I wanna do because I wanna make sure it's legit. So at least I can get one on the highway. Here it go, right here. Here it is. Here it is. Ah, 5.7. It's just because I put it over. I know it. But man, let's go. Yep, it was a success.